Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix unable to add an Aadhaar card is wallet or Apple Pay error on iPhone in iOS 15.5. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Check your region. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap language and region, tap region. Select your region. Tip number 2. Check your software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Tip number 3. Sign out Apple ID and sign in back. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple ID name. Scroll down. Tap sign out. Enter your Apple ID password and turn off. Keep a copy of your data on this iPhone. Tap sign out. Again sign out. Then wait for few seconds. Apple ID sign in back. Tip number 4. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12 and 13 Pro Max. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.